If you're wondering whether it's really possible to get a US green card without an employer sponsoring you, I want to tell you from my personal experience. It is absolutely possible. I recently received approval for my EB-2 NIW petition, and this was a self-petition. That means I did not rely on any company, any job offer, or any employer sponsorship. Everything was based on my research, my work, and how I positioned my profile. So how did I actually do it? First, I focused on building a strong research profile over time. I didn't try to rush the process. I worked on meaningful research topics, especially those that have real-world impact, such as soil health, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. I made sure my work was not just academic, but also relevant to broader societal needs. That is very important because EB-2 NIW is all about showing that your work has substantial merit and national importance. Second, I focused on consistency. Publications, citations, conference presentations, collaborations, these didn't happen overnight. I built them step by step. Even small progress matters if you stay consistent. What matters is showing a clear direction and demonstrating that you are actively contributing to your field. Third, I worked on how to present my case. This is where many people struggle. It's not just about what you have done, but how you explain it. You need to connect your work to impact. You need to clearly show how your research benefits society and why it matters at a national level. That narrative is extremely important. Another critical part was strong recommendation letters. I reached out to experts who could independently evaluate my work and highlight its importance. These letters added significant strength to my case because they provided an external perspective on my contributions. And finally, I approached this as a long-term strategy. This is not something you prepare in a few months. It takes time, planning, and consistent effort. But the good news is you can start from wherever you are right now. If you are a student or an early career researcher, don't wait. Start building your profile today. Focus on impactful work. Publish strategically, collaborate, and think about how your work contributes to the bigger picture. Over time, you will create a strong foundation for opportunities like EB-2 NIW. I will be sharing more videos where I break down each step in detail, how to build your profile, how to prepare documents, and what actually works in real cases. So stay connected if you want to learn this process based on real experience. And remember, this is not about luck. It's about strategy, consistency, and believing in the value of your work.